Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Adobe Lightroom to edit your photo on your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to download and install Adobe Lightroom application on your mobile phone. If you are Android user, you can go to the Play Store, and if you are iOS user, you can go to the Apple Store. And here, as you can see, I have already installed this application, so I just need to open it, and then we can choose a photo or a video that we want to edit. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can edit photo using Lightroom. And let me choose my photo. Okay, for example guys, I'm going to edit this photo using Lightroom. Okay, and I'm going to make this photo looks more cinematic, so we can go to the adjustment. I'm going to go to the edit, and then I'm going to adjust the saturation or the color. Okay, like this. You can adjust it as you like. And wait, I'm going to adjust the lightness for the exposure. I'm going to reduce it a little bit. And for the contrast, I'm going to increase it. And for the adjustment, guys, actually it depends on your your photo, because each photo has a different setting. And I'm going to increase the black setting. Okay, and reduce the white. Okay, and then you can go to the curve if you want, and here you can adjust the color. And for me, I'm going to make it purple. Okay, like this. I'm going to create twilight color, guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna adjust the blue and the red color. Okay. You can adjust it like this. Okay, done. And wow, it looks better than before. And if you want to adjust the color, again, go to the color, and then you can go to the color grading here, and then you can adjust it like this. For more adjustment, you can use the color grading here. Okay, like this. Okay, and I think it's done. Click on done, and yeah, this is the result. It looks better than before, right? And it looks more cinematic. And if you want to save it, just click on save copy to device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.